Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about unsecured working capital. Let's go. I am an independent agent for David Allen Capital, who specializes in getting working capital for businesses, particularly the ones that the banks don't want to lend to. Many times the banks want a perfect credit score. They want 2, 3, 5 years in business. They want perfect bank statements. They really only want to lend to about 20% of businesses out there. But what about the other 80%? They're still good businesses, right? Well, if you have a credit score of 450 to 550 or higher, you've been in business for 4 to 6 months or longer, and the main thing is you have revenue for the last 3 months or sales, then you might be able to get some unsecured working capital. If you want to check it out, check the link down below, and there will be a link where you can apply securely online. See you there.